Where did he go?
Oh no, he went to the gym.
I'll do it like this. I need video of you.
Oh, I'm gonna get a shot of all that stuff over there. Hold on.
All right. So this is the new
This is the new
video
setup.
setup.
You have a triple handle position.
Oh, okay.
Triple the.
I mean, this could be somebody else could try to want to follow, right?
How do we fix that leg though? Oh, actually, no. That's actually because that's offset. No, actually because that's kind of at see it like that a little bit. Now it's straight.
Oh, okay.
Look at this.
Right. So
Let me start from this side. So a little bit of.
the only thing we don't have is the. Wait, when I use the mic with the camera, do I have to get a program for that?
In terms of
to
use the audio?
mic? Yes, to use the audio.
For this camera?
Yeah.
I don't know. I remember I looked that up, but it wasn't real. It was kind of vague about how to use it.
Oh.
But I know when you're just using normal recording, you can just use the actual mic.
So I guess we should explain, right, what we have.
Oh yeah. So what do you got here?
What we have. Start with the microphone. We have a Rode. I don't know the model. But
It's a Rode mobile. Oh, it's called the video mic. Okay. The Rode video mic that's used for mobile, on the go. You can use it wherever you want.
And then you have, well, this tripod I got used. I've had it for years now, and so you need a good tripod.
Always gotta have a good tripod.
The ability to rotate, is that what you call this part?
Yeah, it's the ability to get long shots, rolling shots, wide shots.
And then so what I purchased. Obviously, the phone is the main part of the camera itself. That's expensive.
This is a setup.
Yeah. So you gotta have a good phone camera, and then this. What do you call? I forget what they call this.
Wait, what do you got? A B
handle
script,
cage? No, it's not a B script.
Okay.
It's not, but I only pay maybe $10 max for that.
I'd call it
stabilizer. They call it a
stabilizer?
camera stabilizer. Yeah.
I thought this one was a stabilizer.
Well, this is the same thing too, but they call it a CU grip stabilizer. And I got this on eBay for $8. And then I have my little 99-cent store fisheye lens.
And then explain these two wackadoo things right here.
Oh yeah, this thing is to hold. So what I do is I run the audio, and I use my old iPhone, and I connect it to the external mic, and then I just sync the audio from there. I'll download it and sync it to the video. And this thing here is I have a LED light, a white light that I use if I want to have extra.
Right, for a dark
location. Yeah.
Always gotta have lighting.
So it just clips in there. I should go get it and show it to you. Wait, do you have time?
Yeah. Turn my alarm, please.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, it's going crazy. This mic, by the way, is about round up probably about $130, $140. This setup overalls, I think he said he paid for this tripod, I don't know, $10, no, $20 back in the day, 8, 10, 5, maybe 5, and then the phone itself, we're talking about almost 1,000, I don't know, 1,075, 1,008, which is a pretty good setup. I was showing right now your setup price.
Oh yeah.
How much? This was $10 or $20. This thing was we said $8, $10.
Well, tax $11.
Right. So I said over probably like 1,075 maybe.
Yeah.
1,080.
Well, the phone is the most expensive.
Right. 1,000.
Oh, what about this old iPhone?
Oh, the iPhone.
So this is what I use for the audio.
Brand new. That was for $500. That was $500.
Yeah, but the thing is that it's it's not it doesn't have service.
No, yeah, it's just at this point it's just a file holder and audio.
But I like the audio from this iPhone. It's really good.
It has good mics. It has good tube.
I'm gonna move it out here. So we have that's my audio, right?
Right.
And then I have this. I think I bought these
Dude,
I don't know.
Those are $1.99 at CVS.
Right? But this is what you do. Watch, check it out. You get these clips from 99-cent store.
So here's the scene. You're in a dark room. You need a little bit of light.
They sell the lights.
They do.
The little
but
cubes are expensive.
They're a lot.
But how much did I pay for this?
That might max $5, maybe.
Max.
But I can find these. I think I went to CVS one time and found them for like, I think they're like $2.99.
Right. And then you just
And then boom.
here it's not bright, but in the dark.
No, really,
really
it actually makes a difference. Makes a difference.
And you can actually add another one here if I
I was
want
gonna
to.
say, I think you should do is if you can actually bring this a little bit lower, because remember, look at how far this is from the actual camera.
I can move it on this
You
side.
could put it on that side.
Right.
But I'm only saying to have it near the camera, but don't put it so close where there's causes of glare. You want it to be the perfect.
So that's too
width.
far, but this is too close, or what?
This is too far. This is too close. I'm talking maybe just bring it down a
just
little
bring
bit.
it down closer to the.
Just a couple inches
Okay.
because you know every inch makes.
But
a
I'm
big
telling you,
difference.
I've used this bright. These things
Yeah,
are bright.
actually works. I want to get a shot of your stuff real quick. Yeah, so I'm thinking of like over $1,080, baby.
Yeah.
Which is that's pretty amateur in
It's
the
not
world of
bad,
in the
but-
world of videography. That's amateur as a mother. You think some cameras alone cost $5,000?
We don't get those trash bags.
Oh, well,
If you can angle it.
I will.
But yeah, see, look at old iPhone recycled.
It's all stuff of a artist back here. Trying to get a trash can.
No, you can.
I will. I'm gonna get that stuff anyways. Ready? Gotta do real slow shots.
Oh yeah, I like that.
Yeah, it's nice. Huh?
Yeah. I see what you're talking about.
Yeah, it just
You
it,
just gotta-
it makes a
you-
difference.
Like take off the tension on the.
Yeah. But I think that's perfect though because there's enough resistance that I'm actually like I have to
Right.
put some pressure. Not just wobbling around. Whatever
It's
it
a
is.
little bit offset.
Yeah,
Here, this-
which leg is it?
I think it's this one.
Is it too tall?
No, what it
Oh.
is, this right here, what it's attached to, it's lifting.
Oh, it has a thing right here. Here, do a little more
Oh.
actually. I forgot that it has that.
More?
Wait, no, go back up. Up a little more. Sorry, you almost had it. One more, a little bit more, right there. Try that. Okay, cool.
It's a little more.
What
Oh
do you think,
yeah.
okay?
Oh, there it goes.
Let me get another shot of your stuff. We lived at the Highland House, so I used to like going out there and get rolling shots with this thing too.
Oh, okay.
In the backyard.
Yeah.
At like certain times of the day, it would look like a mini LA back there.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I hate to say because there'd be fog in the sky, but because there was fog in the sky, it almost looked like LA. When I get a shot of this stuff down here too. There's gonna be a new mammoth that he's working on me for. What you guys spruced up with some color, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna spruce it up. I'm gonna fill in the holes for. See all these little.
Now,
places in
hold on, check me out real quick. Check me out. So let's say I want to move. There's something I want to move around for, right?
Mhm.
Let's say I really got to get out of here now.
Oh yeah, yeah. Uh-huh.
All right, so time to go. Time to go.
There you go.
So go ahead and show me again the shot. So I take it off the tripod, and I'm going to be using what you said it was
Oh,
the
nice.
CU grip.
Yeah. See you.
Personal bit. But look, now I'm going to go up a little bit higher. Check me out. Check me out.
That is a good setup.
It's really good, I'm telling you.
I didn't even know this was gonna fit on this new grip.
You got.
I was gonna use
you,
them separate. To be
You
honest
looked
with
out.
Yeah.
And if I don't know if something about these grips have like a slight ergonomic, so that your hands are less shaky. When you're holding your phone like this,
Yeah.
you only have 2 points of contact, which makes me nervous. In the first look, I have a full grip in here. I have a full grip. I think that makes a difference too, keeping your arm steady. Although this thing probably weighs like a good 2.5 pounds at
It
least.
is pretty solid.
It's really solid.
So what I'll do is I'll put a window in the window
Right.
to show the movement, and then show the footage.
Oh, smart. Old vintage stuff, old cans, charcoal. Let me get it.
Bunch of steps.
Nice. And if you're feeling brave, you know, you can get a little. You don't have to go too far, but you can just kind of. If you want to put out a little bit, get it like you want to like get a shot like this maybe, right? It's actually pretty heavy. It's pretty hefty. Look, it's pretty hefty.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you have to.
You gotta have pretty good arm strength, I guess.
Yeah. Oh my god, I'm gonna get that lady.
She's like, what are they doing?
I know. We're over here in the city of
Pacific
Should I-
Palisades.
Should I say this? I don't want to say
Beverly
the
Hills?
city. Beverly Hills. We're over
This
here.
is how we roll in Beverly Hills.
We're over here in Chino Hills right now.
Chino Hills. Throw them off.
I'm about to go drive my Tesla.
Right. All social media is fake.
Oh.
You see them standing next to a Porsche.
Oh yeah.
They're not. It's
That's
not even their Porsche.
they rent it up for like a day or two, just to pretend,
Oh, shit.
right?
Just be honest with yourself.
Right. Dude, I drive a 2000 Buick that barely works half the time.
Yeah, but it's paid off. You don't have any car payments.
Car payments. Man, this is. I want to get like this. It's the angle of what I'm saying. It's a solid setup. Not bad, huh? Yeah, when you go back and edit, yeah, you said you're gonna show both. You're gonna show both. The
Yeah, I'll show a window in the window.
There you go. 12 minutes of footage. There you go. Remember the
Content.
YouTube has a regulation for 10 minutes, and then
They do?
Well, it's over 10 minutes. You can get actual money for it.
None of my stuff is even monetized.
But